I would venture to say he is the best anywhere in the 10-state area. My name is Carl Betzler. My teeth all got loose. Kind of got they got in bad shape. And we don't know if it was because of the radiation therapy that I had when I had cancer. I was in Vietnam in '66, '67, exposed to Agent Orange, carrying it on the plane. Mouth hurt, couldn't chew my food real good. I had partials that kept coming out, and that's when we knew we had to get it fixed. My dentist said, if you want real good work done on your teeth, he said, I want you to go see Dr. Loetscher. And I came here and I first met him. I was impressed like nobody's business when I walked into his office. He, very professional. His staff is phenomenal. Everything was explained to me at the beginning, A to Z. You couldn't get it any better than that. They were not trying to sell me. They just wanted to let me know what was going to go on.
Yeah, Carl is a great guy. He's one of our patients we love. He came in, I first met him about 4 years ago, and he sent to me by his dentist. He was missing some teeth in the lower. He had a partial denture that was unhappy. Time to upgrade, so to speak.
Well, he put me under, and 2.5 hours later, I had all temporaries in about 2.5 hours, but they were phenomenal. 6 months later, when all my jaw healed, they put the real McCoys in, and everything is just fine. I mean, 2 years later, he had to do the top. Same thing. Worked great. And I feel great. I tell the guys that I golf with, I can bite a 2x4, but teeth are so strong.
The ability to chew foods and go out for dinner with your friends and family and have a steak, anything on the menu you can eat comfortably, nothing moves. It really changes the people's confidence.
These are worth every penny I put in. And I can't stress enough how important it is to keep your smile, your teeth, your health. And boy, you can remain healthy. You can eat the right foods and stuff. You don't have to worry about chewing or anything. Well, I've always been a happy-go-lucky guy. That's the thing. They just know that I smile a lot more because I can show my teeth and I'm proud of them.